We're going to get another foot of snow the next couple of days.
Yes, we know.
What do you think about that?
I'm tired of it.
You tired of it? Have you had enough? Everybody say uncle. Uncle!
The blizzard of '96 set some records along the way, including a 24-hour snowfall record at Dulles International Airport. When all was said and done, after it all ended and the flurries finally dwindled to nothing, by Wednesday, a midweek surprise gave more snow, another 4 to 5 inches to part of central Maryland and Virginia. And then, to add insult to injury, another modest-sized snowstorm Friday to end out the week with another 8 to 12 inches of snow.
Blizzard of '96, wow, the big one, the one you can tell your grandkids about. How does it rank? Officially, it's the third largest snowstorm in the immediate metropolitan area, at least on record. Larger storms, the Knickerbocker storm of 1922, and the big President's Day snow of 1979.
How many people are tired of all this snow? Raise your hand.